Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing barriers. Lay out gear, fill a water bottle, and put your alarm across the room so you must get up. Once you're upright, do a 3-5-minute joint warm-up, neck rolls, ankle circles, gentle hip swings to cue motion. Make sure to breathe steadily while moving. This wakes your nervous system. You're not training hard yet. You're signaling your body that morning activity is happening now and making success almost automatic. Once warmed, transition into a short routine that mixes mobility, strength, and light cardio. Do 15-20 minutes, 1 minute of movement, walking, jumping jacks, or bodyweight squats, then 30 seconds rest. Repeat for 5-8 rounds. Make sure to include 2-3 mobility drills for hips and thoracic spine between intervals to maintain range. You do this to build momentum and confidence. Consistency beats intensity early in the morning. You finish with a 3-5 minute cool down. Slow walking and targeted stretches for calves, hips, and shoulders so you recover faster. Once done, jot one line in a habit log, time and how you felt to reinforce the behavior. If you hit pain or stiffness, regress to gentler options or reduce volume. Don't push through sharp pain. This closing routine locks the habit, helps you adjust next time, and gives a simple troubleshooting path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.